So how to fix Amazon Stripe not showing in my Amazon? For that you have to go your Amazon associate account first, and then you have to press on tools, and you have to go Stripe, SiteStripe, and then you can see this kind of interface. You have to press on learn more option, and you see display status is disabled now, so you have to enable it and check mark this option also, get link and share. Share means you can enable a share Facebook, Twitter or different social media actually. And go back to my Amazon account and reload my account, and then you can see my text is appear enable now. Now go to any kind of product and press on text. So this is it, short link, full link. You can copy any kind of link here. You can also change your track, also store ID. So this is how you can easily fix your Amazon Stripe not showing. So hope video helpful. Thank you, have a good day.